How to unlock your Snapchat accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can unlock your temporarily or permanently disabled or locked Snapchat account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, let's say that a Snapchat account is locked for some reasons. Maybe you are using some kind of third-party plugins or services within the Snapchat app. Now you have to go ahead and uninstall those applications if you have been using any type of third-party one. After that, what you could do is you could simply open your browser, and under the description of this video I have left a certain link. You have to go ahead and simply paste that link right over here, which says accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/unlock. So go ahead and simply tap on that link. And first of all, simply enter the username and password of the account which you're trying to regain access to. So I'm going to basically go ahead and enter my password first of all. Once you've entered your username and password of the account you were trying to unlock, simply tap on the continue button. As you tap on the continue button, you can see it says locked account. If you received a message saying that your Snapchat account has been temporarily locked, please wait and try logging in after several hours. So if your account was temporarily locked, by the way, you could try to log in after a few hours. Now, if your account was permanently locked, which means that if your account has been locked for an extended period of time, you can try to unlock it by clicking unlock below. Please note, you must uninstall any third-party apps, which I said earlier, plugins and tweaks before trying to unlock your account. Continued use of third-party applications or tweaks, sending spam or other abusive behavior can or may lead to account being permanently locked. For more info, your account might have been locked, but you can see through this log right over here. Now you could go ahead and simply verify this captcha which you see, which is the I'm not a robot captcha. Once done, you could basically go ahead and tap on the button which says unlock right over here. As you tap on the unlock account button, you can see it says success. We have unlocked your account. Thank you for your patience. And this is the way on how you can unlock your Snapchat account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.